The world of military engineering has always been driven by one goal: creating machines that can survive and dominate the most hostile environments on Earth. Among those machines, the military car stands as a powerful symbol of strength, innovation, and precision. These vehicles are not ordinary machines, they are built to conquer the impossible, endure the unthinkable, and protect the lives of soldiers in the toughest terrains imaginable. From the deserts of the Middle East to the frozen landscapes of the Arctic, military cars are the backbone of ground operations, combining speed, armor, and advanced technology into one unstoppable force. Imagine a vehicle that can drive through raging sandstorms, resist explosive blasts, and still maintain high mobility under enemy fire. That's the essence of a military car. Every part of it, from its engine to its armor, is designed for war. The tires are bulletproof, the chassis reinforced with steel and composite armor, and the interiors equipped with state-of-the-art communication systems that allow soldiers to coordinate missions with command centers miles away. These machines aren't just vehicles, they're lifelines, moving fortresses that bring soldiers home safe. Modern military cars are a perfect fusion of raw power and smart technology. Some can reach speeds of over 120 kilometers per hour while carrying heavy loads of ammunition, weapons, and personnel. Others are stealth vehicles, designed to move silently through enemy territory, equipped with radar-absorbing materials that make them nearly invisible to detection. The design of each car depends on its mission: reconnaissance, transport, combat, or command. For example, the iconic Humvee, used by the United States military, became a global symbol of power and reliability. But today's versions are even more advanced, featuring AI-driven navigation, thermal imaging cameras, and automated defense systems. Inside these vehicles, soldiers experience both security and readiness. The cockpit is equipped with digital control panels that monitor everything from terrain conditions to engine performance. Advanced suspension systems make it possible to drive through rocky mountains or deep mud without losing stability. And when the situation calls for defense, mounted machine guns and missile systems can be operated manually or remotely, giving soldiers the ability to fight back instantly. These features turn the military car into a battlefield command post on wheels. The story of military cars is also a story of evolution. In the early 20th century, armies relied on modified civilian vehicles for transportation. But as wars became more complex, the need for specialized designs grew. World War II saw the rise of armored personnel carriers and reconnaissance vehicles. After that, Cold War tensions pushed nations to invest heavily in military innovation. Engineers began creating multi-role vehicles capable of performing several tasks: transport, assault, medical evacuation, and command. Today, these vehicles are powered by hybrid engines, built with lightweight composites, and even integrated with drone technology for air-ground coordination. The battlefield of the future is digital, and so are the military cars being built for it. Imagine a convoy of vehicles that can move autonomously, communicating with each other through encrypted networks, scanning their surroundings for threats, and making split-second decisions faster than any human could. These autonomous vehicles are no longer science fiction, they are in development and testing phases in many advanced militaries. Using artificial intelligence and satellite data, they can plan routes, avoid ambushes, and even provide real-time updates to Central Command. Some prototypes can self-repair minor damages or deploy small drones to scout the road ahead. This fusion of robotics and defense is reshaping how wars will be fought and won. But strength is nothing without protection. Military cars are equipped with advanced armor systems that can absorb the impact of explosions and deflect bullets. Reactive armor plates, for instance, are designed to explode outward upon impact, neutralizing the energy of incoming projectiles. Underneath the car, V-shaped hulls disperse the force of landmine blasts, protecting the occupants from below. Every inch of the vehicle's body is engineered with the safety of the crew in mind. Even the windows are made from multi-layer ballistic glass, capable of withstanding direct hits from assault rifles. Communication plays a vital role in any operation, and modern military cars ensure that connectivity is never lost. Advanced radio systems, satellite uplinks, and encrypted communication channels allow soldiers to stay in touch with command centers, aircraft, and other units. These systems can even jam enemy signals or intercept hostile transmissions, giving the military a significant advantage in electronic warfare. The car itself becomes part of a network, an intelligent unit within a larger, interconnected army. One of the most remarkable developments in recent years is the adaptation of military vehicles for humanitarian missions. In disaster zones, these cars deliver food, medicine, and rescue teams to areas inaccessible by ordinary transport. Their ability to traverse flooded regions, rubble, and rough terrain makes them invaluable in saving lives beyond the battlefield. This dual role of destruction and rescue defines their importance, not just as instruments of war, but as protectors of humanity. Around the world, different nations have their own versions of military cars. The Russian Tiger, the British Foxhound, the American JLTV, and the German Dingo each showcase their country's engineering mastery. The designs differ, but the purpose is the same: to provide speed, security, and strength where it's needed most. These vehicles are often tested under extreme conditions before they ever see combat. Engineers drive them through deserts, snowfields, and swamps to ensure they can withstand anything the world throws at them. Every bolt, every gear, every layer of armor tells a story of innovation and courage. Behind each vehicle is a team of brilliant minds, engineers, designers, and soldiers, who dedicate their skills to creating machines that can endure the chaos of battle. For them, every improvement could mean the difference between life and death. That's why the evolution of military cars never stops. As technology advances, so do these unstoppable machines, continuously adapting to new challenges and new forms of warfare. Standing before a military car is like standing before a masterpiece of science and strength. You can almost feel the power humming beneath its surface, the silent promise of survival and dominance. It's a reminder that in the theater of war, preparation and protection are everything. And while the battlefield changes, the role of the military car remains timeless: to carry the brave, to face the danger, and to drive victory forward. Whether rolling through desert sands or maneuvering across mountain passes, these vehicles represent the pinnacle of military innovation. They are the shield and sword of ground forces, a fusion of power, precision, and purpose. The military car isn't just a machine, it's a guardian of those who defend their nations, a symbol of resilience that keeps moving forward no matter what stands in its way.